सुबह में इसका मंजर कुछ अलग ही होएगा, but night because of the reflector it looks just wow, right?
Yeah.
Amazing. See the yellow and the red reflector. Wow.
Beautiful.
Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned. What is real and fabricated? What is wrong? What is my problem? How can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head. Don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to. No one understands, shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know.
And you can see the lineup of the bikes. 20 riders all left from Bangalore. We are already in Tamil Nadu. Our destination is close to 130 to 140 kilometers. We started in the evening around 8 p.m. and now abhi baj rahe hai 6:30 baj rahe almost. And sab dhun ki mein chala raha hai. Everyone is so excited to reach the curves of the valley. Everyone wants to just enjoy the views and the curves. क्या प्यारा सीन है यार, देख के फिदा फिदा होने लगता है. Right? See, 20 bikers, guys, unbelievable. I'm just enjoying the ride. I have not slept a wink. I was really very tired almost an hour back, but I know one thing, that if I want to enjoy the ride, I have to feel the ride.
All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
So faceless.
I got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe, and when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe, and when you need to escape from 1,000 fires. I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are, and I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love.
up, man. Place just keeps on getting beautiful and beautiful.
Now the clouds, we are entering in the cloud zone.
No wonder they call this place the Biker's Paradise.
It's amazing.
But
Very heavenly, right?
Yeah.
What fun to even twist.
Someone remove my baffles.
Unbelievable. I'm still on the 5th gear, man. At 36.
Javed bhai, actually you should not be on the top there when the bike becomes very... Just getting beautiful and that sound of SC project only.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, and I end up alone. I'm not
Beautiful.
That's how it goes.
क्या मंजर है, वाह वाह वाह. ट्रिप वसूल.
ऐसे चीज के
अरे
लिए बोलते हैं।
ट्रिप वसूल.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Oh my God. Wow. And see the valley down, on your left. See the valley. Sexy, man.
Sitting at the same old workplace.
Beautiful.
What's the point of this chase? To just bite our old tail. Wishing there's something we change.
This is the valley and that guy. Hey, you guys coordinate, man.
Oh, yeah.
At least both of you can coordinate. Fuck.
I was close.
Watch out, cars coming. Not
Dragons through sky high city.
just reminding me of Western Ghats.
These are childhood dreams.
Just a singer.
Used to be. We were kings and queens in our childhood
Perfecto.
dreams.
Oh, now the weather is changing.
Yeah.
Getting foggy.
Bound to get. We are in the cloud.
Yeah. Just because you have traction control, you'll do all of this jazz.
Use करने चाहिए ना भाई मेरे.
I feel so lightweight when I think back to those days. But then we went our own ways. I'm thinking about what needs to change. That we could turn back the page and live like our favorite fairy tales. So a love so free in a world of our fantasy. Digging up treasures and sailing across the sea. These are childhood dreams. It's how we used to be. When we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Oh, 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 oh. Our childhood dreams. Our childhood dreams, it's how it used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams.
Every weekend is the same. I'm the one you try to claim. Yeah, I already know about your game, but I'm not the one to sit around and be played. Call me up with no shame. All your words sound the same. Yeah, Already know about your game, but I'm not the one to sit around and be played. If you come around just to play me, don't bother, cause you're way overdue. Don't even try to convince me. Don't bother, cause now I see it through.
To come over, I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, call me a fan. I'm living, give me your hand. I'm in it, yeah. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do. Sometimes I get nervous but too good to believe. I don't know how it happened, but baby I'm ecstatic that you're sticking with me. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this.